Communication keeps every business moving, but juggling emails, calls, and texts at the same time can feel impossible. That's why we built email campaigns, to help you reach hundreds of customers at once with emails that are professional, personal, and easy to send. Launch a product, share a discount, or keep customers updated, all from one place. Creating your first campaign only takes a few minutes. Start by choosing your recipients. Add individual contacts. Select a list. Or target specific segments. Segmentation helps you reach the right people, like loyal customers, recent signups, or accounts who haven't interacted with your brand in a while. Next, add your sender email. It must be linked to your domain. Free providers like Gmail or Yahoo won't work. With Textmagic, you can verify your domain in a few steps and create unlimited sender emails. Once you choose the sender, add a subject and preview text. You can see how emails will look in your customers' inboxes right in the Textmagic app. Now it's time to craft your message. Choose between our rich text builder or a clean HTML editor if you prefer full control. Personalize the email using your company's branding. Add variables like your contact's first name so every message feels like a one-on-one conversation. Preview your email on desktop, mobile, or in the email inbox and send yourself a test message to make sure everything looks perfect. Done editing? You can schedule it to reach everyone at the right time or send your campaign right away. You're in full control. Best of all, you have complete visibility of your campaign costs. After sending, track performance in real time. Our unified dashboard shows delivery, open, and click-through rates, and lets you zoom in on engagement, individual clicks, unsubscribes, and more. With email campaigns, it's easy to send branded emails that feel personal, reach the right people, and deliver results, all from one place. Ready to grow your business with smarter communication? Start your free trial and explore Textmagic email campaigns today.